Go to Standard Features. Select Company and select Bank. Go to Payment Received in the main menu page. Once the payer name is inserted, and if the customer has outstanding invoices, automatically the software will detect and show all outstanding invoices. Click on View Outstanding Bills. The invoices which is due after the payment term, the transaction color will be highlighted red, and if it's still valid the color will be highlighted white. Tick on the invoices for the received payment to be recorded and click Next. Once done, insert all the necessary details and click Save.